Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make protein powder for gym at home. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of rolled oats, half a cup of almonds, and a 1/4 cup of flax seeds. For an extra protein boost, consider adding half a cup of skim milk powder or soy flour. Make sure all your ingredients are completely dry to prevent clumping and ensure a smooth powder. This easy method uses items you likely already have. Now, let's get blending. Start by adding your 1 cup of rolled oats to a high-speed blender. Process them until they become a very fine, flour-like powder. Next, add your half cup of almonds and 1/4 cup of flax seeds to the blender. Blend these with the oat powder until the entire mixture is consistently fine and smooth. If you're using milk powder or soy flour, add it now and blend for another 30 seconds to ensure everything is perfectly combined. To make your protein powder delicious, it's time for flavoring. You can add 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder for a chocolate flavor or 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract powder for a classic taste. A half teaspoon of cinnamon also works wonderfully. For sweetness, consider adding 1 tablespoon of stevia or a small amount of date powder. Once mixed, transfer your homemade protein powder to an airtight container. Store it in a cool, dry place for up to 2 weeks for best freshness. So, how do you use your fantastic homemade protein powder? For a post-workout boost, simply mix 2 to 3 tablespoons into your favorite smoothie or shake. It also works great when stirred into yogurt, oatmeal, or even baked goods for an added protein punch. This method provides a highly customizable and cost-effective way to meet your protein needs. Enjoy the benefits of knowing exactly what goes into your body with this simple, nutritious option.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.